Welcome to our exploration of groundbreaking life-saving gadgets designed to protect and assist in emergencies. In today's video, we'll showcase a selection of innovative tools that can make a critical difference in life or death situations. From the versatile VFT Xtreme Shelter, providing instant shelter to the CATU CZ54R, ensuring safety in hazardous environments, each gadget has been engineered with cutting-edge technology. We'll also look at the Rescue Sling and the Black Diamond Guide BT Avalanche beacon, vital tools for outdoor enthusiasts and rescuers alike. Join us as we delve into these remarkable devices that could save lives when it matters most. Introducing the TY3R drone, a life-saving gadget designed for rapid emergency response. This powerful drone is equipped with thermal imaging cameras, allowing it to detect people in hard-to-reach areas during search and rescue missions. Whether it's a natural disaster or a remote wilderness, the TY3R can quickly locate missing individuals by scanning large areas in minimal time. Its long flight range and durable build make it reliable in extreme weather conditions. The drone's real-time communication system ensures that rescuers are constantly updated, helping to save lives when every second counts. Introducing the HydroVent nozzle, a life-saving gadget designed to revolutionize firefighting. This innovative tool allows firefighters to pierce through walls or roofs and release high-pressure water or mist directly into burning structures. By cooling superheated areas from the outside, the HydroVent reduces dangerous flashovers and limits fire spread without needing to enter the building. This not only saves time, but also keeps firefighters safer during high-risk operations. Lightweight and easy to deploy, the HydroVent nozzle is a must-have for modern fire departments, enhancing both efficiency and safety during critical moments. Introducing the Rescue Sling, a life-saving gadget designed for emergency water rescues. This compact, lightweight device inflates instantly when thrown into the water, providing a buoyant sling that helps people stay afloat in dangerous situations. Whether you're at the beach, a pool, or on a boat, the Rescue Sling ensures you're always prepared. With its bright, high-visibility design and easy-to-use mechanism, it's perfect for lifeguards and everyday watergoers alike. Its durable material resists wear and tear, making it reliable in emergencies. Stay safe with the Rescue Sling. It could be the difference between life and death. Introducing the CATU CZ54R kit, an essential life-saving gadget for any emergency situation. This compact portable kit is designed for electrical safety and includes a high-quality voltage tester, insulated gloves, and a robust carrying case for easy transport. With its user-friendly design, the CATU CZ54R ensures that you can quickly assess electrical hazards and protect yourself while working with high-voltage equipment. Its reliable tools provide peace of mind, whether you're an electrician on the job or a homeowner tackling DIY projects. Stay safe and prepared with the CATU CZ54R kit, where safety meets innovation. Introducing the Zefhir helicopter, the world's first helicopter equipped with a life-saving parachute system. This advanced feature activates in emergencies, deploying a full-size parachute to safely lower the aircraft to the ground. Designed for altitudes as low as 100 meters, it ensures a controlled descent, drastically increasing the chances of survival during a mid-flight malfunction. The Zefhir's parachute system makes it a game-changer in aviation safety, offering peace of mind for pilots and passengers alike. Whether you're flying for business or adventure, this innovative technology could be the key to saving lives in critical situations. The Dräger BG ProAir, is a cutting-edge life-saving gadget designed for emergency situations, especially in hazardous environments. This high-performance breathing apparatus provides vital respiratory protection, featuring a lightweight design for ease of movement. It boasts an intuitive user interface, making it simple for first responders to operate under pressure. The BG ProAir is equipped with a durable pressure gauge, allowing users to monitor air levels at a glance, ensuring they have enough oxygen for safe escape or rescue operations. With advanced filtration systems, it effectively protects against harmful gases and particulates, making it essential for firefighters, rescue teams, and industrial workers. This life-saving gadget truly exemplifies innovation in safety and preparedness, giving users the confidence to tackle dangerous situations head-on. The Black Diamond Guide BT Avalanche Beacon is an essential tool for any serious backcountry skier or snowboarder. This compact device uses advanced digital signal processing to locate and track your companions in case of an avalanche. With a range of up to 70 meters, it features a straightforward interface that allows for quick and accurate searches. Equipped with Bluetooth technology, you can easily update the beacon's firmware and manage settings through your smartphone, ensuring you're always ready for the slopes. The Guide BT also boasts an impressive battery life, lasting up to 200 hours, and a robust design that withstands harsh weather conditions. When seconds count, this beacon gives you peace of mind, allowing you to focus on enjoying your adventure while keeping safety a top priority. The Bell 505 Helicopter Emergency Flotation System is a groundbreaking safety feature designed to enhance survival rates during water landings. This innovative system consists of inflatable pontoons that deploy instantly upon contact with water, providing crucial buoyancy and stability. With a quick activation process, it allows the helicopter to float, giving passengers and pilots time to escape safely. The Bell 505 is built for both civilian and commercial use, making it a reliable choice for emergency medical services and offshore operations. Its lightweight design and efficient functionality exemplify the fusion of advanced technology and safety, ensuring that every flight prioritizes the well-being of those on board. Today, we're exploring the VFT Xtreme Shelter, a revolutionary life-saving gadget designed for emergencies. This portable shelter is lightweight and easy to set up, providing instant protection from harsh weather conditions. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it can withstand extreme temperatures and high winds, making it ideal for outdoor adventurers, hikers, and emergency responders. The Xtreme Shelter features reflective insulation to retain body heat and includes an integrated rainfly for additional protection. Its compact design allows it to fit in any backpack, ensuring that you're always prepared for unexpected situations. With the VFT Xtreme Shelter, safety and comfort are just a quick setup away. Thank you for joining us on this journey through some of the most innovative life-saving gadgets available today. We hope you found inspiration and information on how these tools can enhance safety in emergencies. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into life-saving technology and gear. Remember, being prepared can make all the difference. So stay safe and informed. See you in the next video.